Winston here from Libertalia. I hope you're all doing well. Everybody is concerned. You guys heard the speech from our President Cyril Ramaphosa. This COVID-19 really has affected many of our industries. I mean, if you look at the real estate industry, we all rely on conveyancing, municipalities, agents, bond originators. Unfortunately, all of that has been closed down during this lockdown, and I've come to tell you guys that as much as we are in this predicament, there are a few things that will just ease people's concerns, especially that have to do with tenants and landlords. And I'd like to touch on a few things that you guys could maybe take an advantage of. I do have good news for landlords and tenants. The big question is, what is available? How can I apply for it? And that's exactly what I'm here to help you guys with. If you look at my description below, it will have all the contact details for all the debt relief schemes, all the payment holidays, portals for you to be able to contact. And just so everyone is, as much as we're all panicking, there are these resources that we can take advantage of. The first one I would like to touch on is COVID-19 temporary relief scheme. Now, I'm certainly sure that during this COVID-19, everyone has been panicking. What this scheme will help with is for employees that will not be getting a salary for the next 3 months. It will help lower the financial distress that you're going through. So if you're staying in a property and you're renting it, at least you're able to get an income from, hence depending on the landlord that you're faced with, it's always negotiable. This is to say that it is negotiable and you do not necessarily have to be forced to pay rent. But if you have available schemes and you are able to assist your landlord, then this is definitely a scheme for you to apply for. Also bear in mind that the scheme is part of the UIF, the Unemployment Insurance Fund. A lot of monies and funds will be released from this. It will help quite a number of employees severely. So if you know of anyone that's worried, please give them the contact details below and they can just send an email through to request. As long as they are registered under the UIF, then it should be as easy as that. I would like to add that they will assist a certain category of salary earners. So if you're earning a maximum of 17,712 Rand, then you can apply for the scheme. However, if you're earning above that, unfortunately, you're not able to apply for this, and I can give you the next source that you could use possibly. I don't know if you can hear the plane, but I can hear it, and I'm just surprised that airlines are still functioning. Well, anyway, the second one I would like to talk about is 4 major banks and how they are going to assist in terms of payment holidays. Now, this will assist you in working together with your tenants, whether you're a business owner, a property investor, or just have a residential home that has a bond on it. Take advantage of this, as this will assist you for the next few months as we're trying to eradicate this problem. Standard Bank will assist SMEs in terms of payment holidays for up to 90 days. The South African Reserve Bank lower their interest rates, which make it easier for homeowners to pay less on their interest rates. So we have 4 major banks who have offered holiday payments. I'm quite impressed that everyone in each industry is working together in trying to prevent any severe economic damages regarding the COVID-19. We do have Standard Bank, Absa, FNB, and Nedbank, who have also linked their details, which I have included in the description below. And if you're a client to any of those major banks, you just send them an email requesting for a holiday payment, and some of the banks are willing to go up to 6 months, depending on the kind of loan that you have with the bank, especially if it's a home loan. This will just assist the landlords to go and negotiate and assist tenants that are not able to provide for rentals. And with that being said, you're able to then get a holiday payment so that you can work together, or shall I say, so that the tenants can work together with the landlord. Employment tax benefit. Now, your company can apply for this and claim 1,500 per month for you, especially if you're earning 6,500 or less. If you're 30 years older or younger, then you're definitely eligible for this initiative. If you have worked for more than a year, 2 years, then you're eligible for only 1,000 Rand per month. It does apply to workers who are over 30 and up to 65 years old. However, the only amount you would be getting is 500 Rand per month if your employer has had to apply for this benefit. Bear in mind, this is only for employers getting 6,500 and less. Everyone is concerned. Agents are concerned. Business owners are concerned. Tenants are concerned. Landlords are concerned. The whole country is concerned. In fact, the whole world is concerned, as this pandemic has really affected every industry, our income sources. It has brought fear for security, fear for safety measures, death. We are all worried. However, having each and every one of us assist each other in any sort of way, we have seen people donating into funds. We've had tenants and landlords communicate about payment holidays. Some people are left clueless. Some people have no knowledge of this. If you can spread this video to every homeowner you could possibly know, or every tenant you could possibly know, especially if they have no idea what to do, what to apply for, where to apply for it, please assist them. Funds have been made available. The president has allocated a vast number of funds. Some people have no access to television. Some people have no access to the internet. Share this with them. Share as much as possible. And hopefully we can get over this in no time.